Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Shayna and I'm a new YouTuber, and today I have a Gwynnie Bee unboxing and try on video. Real quick, Gwynnie Bee is a clothing rental subscription service and it's size inclusive from size 0 to 32. If you've never tried it before, there's a link for a free month trial in the description box below. I highly suggest you check it out. Alright, so I'm not going to go into too much more detail than that, but please check out my other Gwynnie Bee videos for a more detailed explanation, or just check out the link and it'll have all the details there as well. So basically I'm on the 2 at a time plan, so I get 2 items at a time from my virtual closet on the Gwynnie Bee website. And I have the box, I just started to open it here. And I already know what's inside because it's items that I selected, and they have an app that tells you what items are being shipped to you. Alright, so the first item is a dress with it's a blue background with black floral print on it. And this is from the brand Effie's Heart, and it's in a size 2X. I can tell you the material feels very soft and stretchy, like a heavier t-shirt material. Not super heavy, but heavy enough that it's not gonna cling to everything. So I will get that tried on. I have already received a few dresses from Effie's Heart from Gwynnie Bee, and I think I've even purchased 1 or 2 of them as well, and I always really enjoy them. They're very cute and a little bit vintage in style. And the next item is a sweater. It's from the brand Gilli, and it says, "Hello, beautiful," which I thought was super cute. It's also in a size 2X, and it's a sweater material, but it doesn't feel too heavy, which is good because I live in a tropical warm area for the most part, although it has been pretty cool the past couple days. So I thought, why not closet a sweater? Alright, so let's get into the try-on. Alright, to start off, this is not a Gwynnie Bee outfit, but I just thought I'd show you my outfit of the day. I also post outfits of the day on my Instagram page at ShaynaL21, so feel free to check me out there as well. Today I'm wearing a black skirt from Susan Graver on QVC. It is so soft and so comfortable, and I don't have to worry about, any indecent moments as I'm moving around, and no chub rub because it has the nice little shorts underneath. So I'm a big skirt fan. Are you a skirt lover? Alright, and then this purple top is just a stretchy, sort of waffly knit shirt from Liz Claiborne brand. And my shoes, I don't know if you've noticed, but I always wear basically the same shoes. I have the same brand in a couple different colors and styles. These are from the brand Fit Flop. You can check out their website, fitflop.com. I broke my ankle about a little over a year ago, and since then these are pretty much the only shoes I wear. I'm all about comfort, and I think they're pretty cute. They have like some little sparkly sequins on them, and they're super comfortable. They're a little pricey, but the comfort and they're like engineered with great shoe technology, so highly recommend if you're looking for comfortable, fairly cute shoes. But I'm definitely not a shoe fiend. Alright, so sorry to get off track. Now let's get into the Gwynnie Bee items. So I just threw on this Gilli sweater with the skirt that I already had on. It's super comfortable. I got this in a 2X, I think I already said that. Usually I can go for a 1X in most tops, but there was only a few reviews on the Gwynnie Bee site because this is a new item that they added. And some of the reviews, it looked like it maybe ran a little small. So rather than risk having a sweater that was too tight, I'd rather have it a little bit big, which it is, a little bit loose, and the sleeves are kind of long. It comes down, if I don't do anything to it, about a little to where my fingers start, but that's alright. It's very comfortable, very soft. It's not too huge in the body, but there's definitely some room there. Overall, I really like it. I wish it was a little cheaper to purchase it, but like I said, it's a new item. I think they just added it a couple days ago to the site. So I'll have to wait and see if it comes back later in the outlet. Here's a closer look. I think this will be really cute with probably some jeans when it's a nice cool day. And the one other thing I'll mention, it has sort of a wide neck, almost a boat neck, but I am able to still have my bra straps covered. And there's where the sleeves kind of hang down, but it's very easy to push them up as well. And it has little slits on the side. It's probably hard to see with the black skirt, but there you go. All right, on to the dress from Effie's Heart. Here's the dress from the brand Effie's Heart, also in a size 2X. It feels so nice and comfortable. I'm really liking the fit and the feel of the material, and I'm very excited to see it has pockets. Yes, pockets. And the whole dress is just so nice and light and soft. I have nothing bad to say about it. I wish it had a little bit more of a sleeve to it. It's just about sleeveless. There's like the tiniest little cap sleeve, but I wouldn't even call it a sleeve really. It's just sort of a little bit broader than the normal just strapless top. And it has a nice fit and flare. That's usually always what I go for. There's just a comfortable waist seam right there under the bust. Really, really cute. I love the difference with the little black panel towards the bottom and along the top. Just kind of breaks it up. And I love rose print things. That's one of my favorites. So, very impressed. What do you think? Overall, I'm very impressed with the items I received this week. I doubt that I'll purchase any of them unless they offer some additional sales or something, but I will certainly enjoy wearing them, and then I'll return them and get some new items. If you're new to my channel, again, thank you so much for being here, and please like and subscribe. I'll be posting lots more Gwynnie Bee and other plus size fashion videos. I also have a Stitch Fix unboxing posted and a Dia box scheduled to come soon. I'm also trying out BoxyCharm for the first time, so look forward to a video about that. If you do try Gwynnie Bee, please let me know your thoughts, and any other comments or feedback is more than welcome. I'm happy to take all the input as I get started on this YouTube channel. Thanks, and I hope you have a wonderful day.